You have to try this feta cheese and tomato pasta. It's delicious and super easy. First, you put the pasta to boil. In a tray, you add the cherry tomatoes. Add some olive oil, oregano, salt and pepper. Then add the feta cheese in the middle. Add more olive oil, some garlic. Mix well together. And put in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. When ready, it should look like this. The garlic doesn't need peeling before. You can take it out like this. Take all the peels from the garlic. And from tomato as well. Mash everything with a fork. Then add the pasta. Mix well. And it's ready. It's super delicious and easy to make. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more easy recipes. Bye.